Do you feel that nagging slump in your shoulders after a long day at your desk? Or noticed how rounded your back looks in photos? Or catch your reflection and think, yikes, I look so tired? Spoiler, it's probably your posture. And guess what? Bad posture doesn't just make you look less confident, it actually makes you feel it too. The good news? I've got 4 stupid simple stretches, taking less than 5 minutes a day, that help you instantly stand taller, look sharper, feel more confident, look more attractive, and boost that magnetic energy. Seriously, we underestimate how much posture affects everything. It's not just about looking taller or more attractive, though yes, amazing perk. It's about feeling powerful, reducing tension headaches, and even breathing better. These daily stretches, they're game changers for flexibility, spine alignment, and kicking muscle tension to the curb. Consistency is key. Do them daily and you will see a transformation. It's called the shoulder blade squeeze, and it's ridiculously simple, incredibly effective, and you can do it anywhere, anytime. Here's how you do it. First, whether you're sitting at your desk or standing in line, make sure you're nice and tall. Imagine a string gently pulling you up from the top of your head. Next, let your shoulders relax. Don't shrug them up to your ears. Now, gently but firmly, squeeze your shoulder blades together, like you're trying to hold a pencil right between them. Feel that tension right in the middle of your upper back? That's exactly where you want it. Hold it there for 5 seconds, and release. Do 10 reps. Feel that? You're already waking up those upper back muscles. This stretch melts away chest tightness. Stand feet hip-width apart, clasp hands behind your back. Straighten your arms, lift them gently, shoulders down, and feel that glorious chest stretch. Hold 15 seconds, instant openness. Time to get your spine moving. Get on all fours, wrists under shoulders, knees under hips. Inhale, drop your belly, look up, cow pose. Exhale, round your spine, tuck chin, cat pose. Flow smoothly for 10 reps. This is magic for spinal flexibility and easing back tension. Constant screen checking equals neck stiffness central. Sit tall. Gently tilt your right ear toward your right shoulder. Don't lift the shoulder. Hold 15 seconds. Repeat left. Do 2 sets daily. Trust me, your neck will thank you. Okay, so here are 4 super simple but honestly really powerful weapons for posture correction. Just do these every day, whether it's part of your morning routine, during your lunch break, or as a post-work wind-down. And you'll start standing taller, looking more attractive, moving with more confidence, and honestly, just from the inside out. Your posture totally shapes how the world sees you, and even more, how you feel about yourself. So just commit to 5 minutes a day. You've totally got this. Drop your posture tips below. What stretches work for you? Let's help each other stand tall. And hey, smash that like button if this helped, subscribe for more feel-good lifestyle hacks, and hit the bell so you never miss a confidence boost. See you next time!